Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.1 question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. 3 by 4, minus 5 by 8, minus 7 by 4 and 7 by 8. Right? Let us draw first in number line. Question number 1 we are doing first. That is question number 1 is maybe change the color, that is into yellow. Right? Now we will draw the number line here. Right? The first one is, suppose this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2, this is 1 and this is 2, and if we draw here, that is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Now you have to represent 3 by 4. That means out of 4 parts, 3 parts. That means we have to divide this 0 to 1, 4 equal parts, right? 4 equal parts, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here you see this part is 1 by 4, right? It is 1 by 4 and this part is 2 by 4 and this part is 3 by 4. This part, this point is 3 by 4, right? This is 3 by 4. This is question number 1, right? Now if you draw question number 2, minus 5 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 5 by 8, right? Let us draw another let us draw another line. Here we have drawn another line, right? Let us write, that is, this point is 0, this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1, this is 2 and this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Now the point is minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8 means negative, right? That means you have to divide 0 and minus 1 8 equal parts, right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, right. This part is minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8. That means this point is minus 5 by 8, minus 5 by 8. This is question number 2, right? This is, here you see, we in the first case we have divided this 0 to 1 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, this is 4 by 4, this is 4 by 4 means 1, right? Here you see the negative side, 0 to minus 1, we have divide this part into 8 equal parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean this is minus 1 by 8, this is minus 2 by 8, this is minus 3 by 8, this is minus 4 by 8 and this point is minus 5 by 8. Now we'll solve question number 3, that is minus 7 by 4, right? Minus 7 by 4. Let us find minus 7 by 4. Let's solve. We'll take another line, this one. That is question number 3. Question number 3 is minus 7 by 4. Now question number 3. This is question number 3. Question number 3. Here this is 0, this is 0, this point is 1, and this point is 2. On the left side this is -1 and this is -2. What is the value? Value is -7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Right. Now if we divide 7 by 4, what it get? If we divide 7 by 4, then we are getting 4 on 4, 5 7 3. There is 1 whole 3 by 4. That is equal to -1 whole 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now here you see -1 is this part, right? -1 is this part. Therefore, you have to divide this -1 and -2 into 4 equal parts, right? That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Then this is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. This part is 3 by 4, right? Therefore, this point, the whole from here to here, we are getting -1, 3 by 4, and that comes to -7 by 4. -7 by 4. Right? This is -7 by 4. Why? Because this is 3 by 4 part. 1, 2, 3. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. There is 3 by 4 part, and this is -1. That is -1 whole 3 by 4. Minus whole is up to here, 0 to -1. And up to here it is -1 whole 3 by 4. That is -7 by 4. Right? Now the next question is 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Question number 4 is 7 by 8. Is 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Here also we are finding this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. This is -1, and this is -2. Here in this case also we have to divide 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. How many? 8 equal parts. Let us find 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? Now this is 7 by 8. This is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. This one is 7 by 8. This one is 7 by 8. This point is 7 by 8. That is, it is 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Right? This is positive sign. That we have to divide 0 and 1, 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? And this is 1/8. 1 part out of 8 part. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, and this is 7 by 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.